Moyen, I'm Stacey Feinberg, the new United States Ambassador to Luxembourg. Luxembourg is small geographically, but they are enormous on the global stage, politically, socioeconomically. They are a powerhouse. In the United States, we'd say they punch above their weight class. Luxembourg is like a startup with a real entrepreneurial spirit and a can-do attitude, and the ability to change and pivot and make things happen. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's historic and charming, and the people are very kind and welcoming. I love that it's walkable and safe. Reminds me of a little bit of Boston, where I grew up.
How does your experience working with athletes support you in this new role?
You know what they really taught me? That they're just human beings. They may have a unique talent, which brings them fame and fortune, but they are still just people, and you want to relate to people as just the people that we are and not be awestruck, and I think it makes people much more comfortable.
What advice would you give to young people?
I want the young people to be excited. There are so many industries, particularly in Luxembourg, that are going to have their start, their genesis here. They're going to flourish. There's going to be incredible opportunities. There are industries that haven't even been created yet that you don't even know about, because if you think back 5 years ago, what didn't exist that we take for granted now because it's in our everyday life, that's what's going to happen. It's moving faster and faster. So please, have an entrepreneurial spirit, take chances, be willing to take risks, try new things. You may create the next thing that changes the world.